Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here from Ukraine. Today we will talk about this sixth day of Ukrainians operation, the operation of Ukrainian army inside the Russian territory in the Kursk region. And today's in the morning, Ukrainian army has already made significant gain inside the Kursk region. Now the fighting has already spread in 720 square kilometers. It means that Ukrainian army has already reached deep inside the Russian territory inside 40 kilometers, and the Ukrainian army is making also some movement inside the Belgorod Oblast. In the coming day, it will be very interesting. Yesterday was the day for Ukrainian army, and there are lots of Russian army are surrendering. There are lots of captives from Russian sides. Actually, Russians army are not in the mood of fighting. 3 years, more than 2 years of wars, Russian army has already got tired, and more than 500,000 of Russian soldiers already have been killed in Ukraine. And this sudden incursion of Ukrainian army into Russian territory is a very surprise gift to the dictator Putin's and their army and their army chiefs. Actually, they can't understand how to resist, how to make a strategy against this Ukrainian army. Before that, the war was limited only to Ukrainian territory, and this was very good for dictator Putin. This was very favorable situation for dictator Putin. Actually, in the homeland there was no war, and only Ukrainian peoples were suffering. Now this war has already spread into Russian territory, and now Russian don't know how to control the situation. And in this between, there are lots of critics inside Russia. People are arising against Russian dictator Vladimir Putin's. In this video, you can see how the Kadyrov persons are surrendering. Kadyrov means they are claiming that Ramzan Kadyrov claimed that there will be a good news from the Kursk front, but you see, they came to fight. These people, this Kadyrov from Gruzi and Chechnya came to fight, but you see in the large number that they have surrendered here. Actually, you can through this video you can understand how they are surrendering, how these people are surrendering in the Kursk region in front of Ukrainian army. They are actually not in the mood of fighting. So in the next video, you can see here in the armor vehicles, these Russian soldiers are entering. They are surrendering. So here you can see in this photo there are lots of Russian young men. It means they are mobilized. They are very badly trained army, and Putin's have just sent them to meat to be killed like in the meat grinding machines. Actually, they don't care of their young men for their own dictatorship plans. Here you can see how they are surrendering. It's a very interesting. Yesterday was actually good day for Ukraine. The Ukrainian army has already entered into deep inside 70 kilometers, and now this front will be for a long time because Ukraine is not in the mood to return from this Russian territory. Actually, Russia has already occupied since 2015 Lugansk, Crimea, some parts, and this Donbass regions. Now they have occupied some parts of significant part of Zaporozhye and this Kherson regions. Last year, our Ukrainian army has already liberated Kherson city, but that side of the Dnepro rivers, lots of big part of Ukrainian territory are still in the Russian control, and Vladimir Putin was not in the mood to return this territory to Ukraine. Ukraine has already suffered a lot. This is a very bad, very robust setback to Ukrainians people and army and the morals. And this surprise Ukrainian operation inside Russian territory has boosted our morals to fight against, and it's possible to defeat Russia inside their territory. Actually, if Ukraine gets this weapon weapons from West and all supplies in times. Everything is possible. Ukraine was planning for last 1 year, and Ukraine has some setback in the eastern front. Russia has some technical gain, but that technical gain was at the highest loss of their casualties of their army and this equipments. So you can understand that through this how Russian army
Это
are now
вам для
suffering.
канала
In the last 3 months ago, when
посмотреть сбор
Russian
русских
army
череп.
attacked near the
друзі,
Kharkiv
коротенько
regions,
доповідь
near
зроблю.
Vovchansk.
Облазили ми
Actually, they
майже всю
couldn't
Сумську.
get
Де
their
ті підри там ховаються,
any
я
tactical
поняття не
victory
маю.
there, and they lost a lots
Знаходимося,
of army
зараз я оберну
near the Kharkiv
відео.
regions.
Знаходимося
That
майже
was
в самому
actually bad
центрі
mistake
світу,
for
тільки
Putin.
що
So
прийшов.
no, if that army were
перебирається туди,
alive, they
трохи.
would have supported in the Kursk region. Actually, they want to take some mobilized
Короче,
army from other
для
part of Russia,
руснявих,
not. But in
чепушил, які там
more than 2
розказують,
years
їхня
of war,
суджа,
they have
їхня
also
суджа,
lost a
їхня,
lots of
за
manpower
щочку
in Russia.
беріть
Russia is a very
і
big country
уйобуйте
and
нахуй.
population is very small. And in this war, they have lost huge manpower just for Putin's, just for political ambition of Putin. Putin invaded inside in Ukraine, and they have not gained any big, like very big victory here. They claim that we will take Kyiv within 3 days. Already more than there will be 3 years on 24th of February. You can understand how Russia is bad and how they have suffered already in this war. Even though they don't want to return from Ukraine, though Ukraine has no choice actually just to take Russian territory like Kursk, which is not taking place. Ukraine is making gain inside Russian territory, taking this, and if this continues and Ukraine makes more significant gains, it will be very good for bargaining on the table, on the negotiation tables. We hope that this time Ukrainian army must get more land inside Russia, and this will be a big lesson for China, like and this Russia and any occupying country who want to occupy, like China want to occupy some Indian territory and some other Vietnam territory and Taiwan. If dictator Putin wins in Ukraine, then China will attack Indian territory, Arunachal Pradesh, in others, in Taiwan, in Vietnam, everywhere. So it's a very necessary to defeat Putin here, and we will defeat absolutely Putin here in Ukrainian territory. Please follow the channels and subscribe for more interesting news. There will be more interesting news in 2 and 3 days, dear friends. So just subscribe the channels, write comment in the comment box and boost me my morale. I am in Ukraine. I have been living for last 8 years. I can understand how people have suffered here. My relatives have been killed here, and my friends I have lost so many Ukrainian young men here in this war. So dear friends, take care, bye, subscribe the channel. We meet in the next video.